That big hit is coming, but not today. I'm thinking it's coming
Feels
on
like,
sometime next week. But I
I
agree.
mean, you look at that the long trend line on the 4 hour. Feels like it wants to go there again. I mean, that would be an easy entry. You're still playing the seasonal move, right?
Yeah.
Just have that. I mean, it's just hard to fathom that with rates double and that the action could be the same as the previous 2 years. But I mean, or you said 3 years, right?
For what?
That seasonal Thursday, Monday, Friday action for Thanksgiving.
For the last. No, it's been more than that. It's been happening for quite some time. Hold on. I'm trying to find. Where is my pulse regarding today's stream? Here it
Your
is.
audio's a little low.
I'm not talking that loud. I wasn't talking too loud. I'm pretty much thinking out loud. Let's see.
About stacking your money.
No, I'm just going over some charts. I'm trying to see what to do for today. Leave this chat over here. Test audio. Audio's coming. Okay, everything's working. And let me. Should I just start recording now? Yeah, it's 9:20. I'll record this as well. Wow, we have a lot of people joining on the voice chat. TikTok. Oh, come on. This gap up is beautiful in a way. I'm glad it panned out this way though. We should be able to protect most of our long-term monthly puts. Why am I lost in thought today? I have so much on my mind. Anyways, let's start going over some charts. I struggle with gap ups overnight at open. Let's see. Can't wait for this open. It's gonna be exciting. There's another gap up on Apple. It's picking up more volume now. I don't understand what's going on with my trading view. Hold on. Oh. Did you swing some calls, Clint? WBA is gonna have a beautiful move today. I have too many contracts open. I was trading a lot yesterday.
I've got 4 calls open on WBA for the January 42.5.
Oh, that's good. Just notice my activity on SPY XPX yesterday was insane. I have a lot of options on my watch list that I kept trading. I think I possibly traded over 100 contracts. Not sure. Oh shit. Deleted the wrong one. Let's see. It's possible that Apple can push to 155. No, that's a trend line. I don't know. Really just depends. At most 152.70, but SPY's already rejecting. We should scale out of Apple. Not saying to exit all of them, but we could scale out a few at open.
Morning. Did you just say scale out of calls at open?
On Apple, works, but I rejected 398. It's down $1. It's holding.
Oh.
It's testing the 15-minute EMA though.
Angel, I got a quick question on the script before market opens. You know the supply and demand zones? Say, for example, I have the supply and demand zones populate for 15 and 60 minutes, right? On the 1 minute chart, they don't populate. And then on the 15-minute chart, they do populate.
The
Is
1
there-
minute, it starts to auto-populate based on the current momentum. On the 5, 15-minute, and 1 hour time frame, it's populated from previous days because that's more for swings setups. So on the 1 minute, I have it set that it will only auto-populate based on the current momentum of the day for day trades and scalps. So I have it set up in that way so that members don't actively use the 1 minute chart. I'm enforcing the 5 minute and 15-minute setups so it's safer. So that's why I have it not auto populate on the 1 minute. It will start populating after it starts consolidating within that region. Then yes, it will start generating that supply and demand for you. So it's more of a safety feature that I put on that.
Okay. And that's only on the and that's only when you set up the. So for example, you're on the 5 minute and you set up different demand zones. Like say for example 60 in 1 hour. That's also going to be like more historical rather than auto populate.
Correct. It's
Okay.
not just historical. It goes back from 5 to 20 days of data. And yesterday's support and resistance as well.
Okay, but on the 1 minute chart, it's all live. Even if I use
Correct.
the 1 hour and the 2 hour
Correct.
supply demand zones, right? That'll be
Yes.
more live.
Correct. And
Okay, awesome.
like I mentioned, it's just a safety feature that I placed.
You think it will secure WBA at open too?
We could secure some. Well, I don't know. Possibly. I'm quite heavy on it.
Well,
It really just depends on you, Ethan, and how you feel.
Yeah.
It's like WBA, I've give you my reasoning why I'm bullish on that.
okay. I feel like I've rinsed and repeated WBA at least 5 times now.
On profits,
Yeah, like it kind of goes up and down quite a bit the past 10 days actually.
yeah. WBA, Apple's rejecting the trend line at the moment. If it breaks, we could see close to 155. Let me see. No, we have a gap area to 156.54. No, 155.60 will be our first area of interest. Let me label that as red. But we have to break above 153.50. Why is it not letting me place this? Okay. So our first target, and that's also the target on the 1 hour resistance on the supply and demand, will be 153.50.
SPY is trying to make a run back to 298.
It's good. Let's see. Let me look at Amazon. Do I have time?
10 seconds left.
Yeah, I don't have enough time. Let's see. Amazon. 198.
24% on Amazon. 18-20 on the WBA. Oh, the CLF.
I'm up 50%.
Oh, Amazon. Absolutely.
How's Amazon doing for you guys? Post those games, please.
It's actually going down now. Oh, it's
Oh my
knifing.
god,
Gotta
there's
get out
a
of it.
massive pullback.
Get out of this thing.
I secured some. Let's see. Amazon premiums didn't move.
It's knifing right now. I'm thinking.
CLF is up. WBA. Oh, I love.
I'm gonna secure my WBA for now.
I'm securing some WBA.
That's knife. It's scary.
Where did I post this? Alright, I scaled out Apple. Scaling out some WBA. Let me post my
Excellent.
gains on WBA.
I just died. Huge pullback, guys. Taco called it though. Taco called it out.
I think he said midday push, though, right? Or push for the first few hours.
But not happening. The CLF calls for next week. They're break even. Do you want to exit those?
Yeah, we should secure
CLF
some
calls?
just in case. Some.
It's not even green. It's just break even.
Let's see. Well, we still caught the pump, so we secured good positions. Getting announced those exits on Apple. Let's see.
This is
CLF
really
is
the move, though.
Be funny if, I mean, it wouldn't surprise me if you pump randomly, but risk it.
Oh, we saw that rejection at 398. Let's see what happens here. We're still holding puts. We secure the calls. So, to answer one of Immortal's questions, I'm not even sure if he's in here. Yeah, he is. It's we caught a move on the pump. Now the puts that we've been holding are gaining profits. So it's very easy to micromanage this.
Want to add into the December 16 puts for Apple?
No.
Not yet.
No, that's a big no. I'd rather miss the entry on the puts. I have no plans of adding into those puts until Monday or Tuesday, like I told you. I'm gonna hold to that, Ethan. I will not be persuaded into adding into those puts.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good idea.
Yeah.
I want to, but I feel like at that point I would be just because I'm trying to cover what I've already dealt with, and I think that's a mistake.
Yeah.
I think it's
This was a very strong rejection, though.
Gosh, my Exxon runner is up 75%.
It's good.
But it's Is it 40? Oh my god, it's going straight down. You might see 108.
108. What are you talking about?
More guess.
Exxon.
Did anyone catch that tech sell-off?
We are still in puts. We sold all the calls that we scaled out all the calls from the morning, which printed really well.
Nice. It was the same thing I posted happened 2 weeks ago. Apple, I think last time was like 500%, but Apple sold off 200% for 0 to ET today.
Look at that pump. All right, let's see how's Apple doing. I'm still holding several Amazon calls. They're still green. Same as Apple.
My Exxon put.
JPM. On the other hand, I may add
JPM
it to
looks weak.
JPM. Yeah. Let me see.
Oh, it's still.
Let's see the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, it looks quite bearish. I'm gonna add one into JPM.
What flow did you get?
I haven't. I'm trying to get filled now. I got filled at 193.
Dang. I'm trying. Not working.
Possibly a glitch failed. I'm not sure.
I'll leave it there as a limit buy.
There's something different on TOS. Was there an update on the mobile apps?
Is something like
Yeah, I said that yesterday.
Who
the
said
button
that
placement's a
yesterday?
little different.
I said that yesterday.
I didn't see it.
Well, I said it.
Yeah, I didn't see the post. I'm sorry. Alright, so our SPY puts are recovering actually pretty well. This was a great play. I'm not entering puts yet. Well, I'm not adding into our puts. I still think we're very well positioned for now. I'm not expecting a major drop. At least, I'm not sure. We'll see.
What's Tesla doing? What about Tesla?
I'm not focused on
Oh,
Tesla
no,
at
it's
the
dropping.
moment.
Yeah. No, it invalidated my theory, my thesis.
The Twitter experiment's going great.
Is Twitter down or something?
The what?
Is Twitter down? Or is it still up?
No, I mean, we don't know. But I mean, it's
Oh.
the news is not good.
There's no volume on CLF. I'm not sure what to do with CLF today.
I just closed my calls for next week.
You guys are
So-
set up long on CLF in general.
We have a short term for next week. Costed us initially $22, and then we added some at $16. It's a small swing. Then we also took re-entries on CLF, 18 calls. My average on those re-entries is 106. I'm still holding on to those. I think it feels like a great entry that we took at 1455 area yesterday. So I don't have any plans on securing those positions.
What expiration? You didn't.
The same one, the March 2023. I'm up from that entry from yesterday. It's up 3%. Let's see. I wouldn't mind shifting back into XLM calls. I'm near my target already. Maybe.
Good thing I get to my put.
I'm sorry?
Oh, let's go
Oh,
SPY.
nothing. Nothing. I just said
So-
good thing I get my put.
I might take a YOLO on XOM call for 0 DTE. I took
Got
one
filled on my
already.
JPM.
The 112 call, it's a very light YOLO, so let's see. I'm okay. We'll see what happens. And
395.
I'm
Fishman,
not
don't
sure.
buy 200, 300 contracts. I only buy like
I ain't
two.
gonna kill it.
It's just XOM pullback near my price target area with today's drop, so we should have some sort of relief bounce back to at least BWAP on the 5 minute. A retest possibly 111.20 region. That will be my exit, which will be the top EMA area on the 15-minute time frame. Just a small scalp. If it breaks that, then my next target will be 111.90. These premiums are moving kind of weird though. Even though it had a slight pullback. Oh, never mind. That was a bug.
Ooh, looking at close out of my CLF calls for next week. The YOLO, we don't have stop loss. Just kidding.
Amazon's curling up.
Well, it's back to my entry from yesterday.
I'm adding another Amazon call here.
Oh,
What's your target and what's your target? The expiration.
This is mainly a swing. This is not a day trade. We should see if you're gonna day trade it, at least aim for today's highs, 96.50. With a potential move to 150 area. I got filled at 69.
Exxon again?
Huh?
Were we talking about Exxon just now?
No, I was talking about Amazon.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Yeah, some reason I don't think you're kidding, Fishman. For some reason, I really don't think you're kidding. I'm gonna watch Apple very closely for a re-entry and calls as well for next week.
What was the Apple call? I couldn't get into that
The
yesterday.
155 call.
For next week, 155.
I didn't place a stop loss on XOM. I'm very light on it.
And Amazon went for like 10% just already. Nice.
Wait, you purchased 0 DT?
Yeah, 0 T. I closed it at like 11%.
Ballsy. No, I purchased for next week expiration.
I just need SPY to go ahead and I say I got the December 2nd, so I still got the 385s. I just don't know what to do.
Oh, that's SPY 35.
Yeah, it's not good.
No point averaging down right now.
You have it still?
No, I cut it yesterday.
I only have 2, so it's not that painful. It's enough. Reward myself with a small loss, I think.
Alright, Apple's holding. Yeah, I'm not gonna wait. I took a light starter again on Apple. 155 filled at 103.
Apple calls.
Yeah. Ah, I posted
What
this.
expiration and strike on the Apple calls?
I'm about to post it.
Next Friday.
25. It's in the call out session.
Paid 105.
Yeah.
Ooh. Can I tell you I hate you for that? You beat me by 2 cents.
Are you light on the Apple calls?
Yes, I am. It's primarily to hedge the puts because we're still holding on to monthly puts. Like I explained, I'm bullish until next week. Just until Tuesday though. WBA is having a nice strong bounce. This might be a re-entry area on WBA weeklies.
I never took the creep before. Which one's that?
For next Friday,
What strike for next Friday? WBA?
the 1550 call.
1550.
I'm gonna post that one too.
Oh, no, you mean CLF. You said WBA. Right?
Yes. 1550 C,
There you
November 25th.
You gonna buy more than 3 this time?
Filled at 0.15.
You gonna
All
buy more
these
than 3
call
this
outs are
time?
being posted on the call out session, guys. So if
Bought
you-
5 of those.
You bought well, that might be safe stuff in Muffin. That's volatility. I am up 3% on Apple.
Was.
XOM is holding well. Nice push on XOM. Please be mindful, I am not directional on calls, guys. I'm still holding puts. If we do have a rejection, I won't be too stressed on it. I'm heavier, a lot heavier overall on puts for the 1 month out, December 16. That was a good entry in JPM puts.
I should buy more than 1.
Yeah. How's WBA doing? I think we may be able to hedge WBA with puts for next week.
Already exited WBA for now.
Yeah.
Took my gains.
JPM still rejecting.
Andrew, I've already got CLF calls for November 20th. They got 2 of them. Average 61. Should I average down?
November 20th?
November 25th.
And your average was 61?
Yeah, but this is from last week.
Okay, well, what's the strike? I don't remember calling calls for
I
CLF for November
I
25th.
took it off. I think I took it off Ethan's.
What was the play again?
The CLF calls.
CLF. What was the contract again?
CLF calls 15.5 strike November 25th.
Yeah, that's what we're in right now.
Yeah, I took it last week when it was the average of 61. Should I average down? I only have 2 contracts right now.
Wow.
61.
I don't
We-
remember
we-
ever went
We
that
called it
high.
out. It was called out yesterday. I don't think I ever called that out. Or yesterday.
I
No,
think
this is just you just said you were looking at it.
Man, no, like I don't remember. Sorry. All of the CLF positions have been
long
months out.
term, yeah.
Yeah.
On calls
And
wise, short
the
term
CLF
has
call-
been puts.
Yeah. I don't remember ever calling them out. Was it on voice chat or did I write it down?
It was probably in chat. I'm not sure.
You wrote it down. I'll find it.
Let's see. Amazon's holding the man area. Mark. SPY needs to hold 395. I mean, ideally, I really don't mind if it keeps dropping either. Let's see, GPM.
Well, good thing I started light on those calls.
Yeah, they're down 8%, but we made a lot of profits from the swings. I sold most
why-
at 50%, so I have a lot of leverage.
Picked the wrong swings.
I didn't get
The
that.
Amazon swing,
Did you
which
try
only
again?
broke even.
Hmm.
Well, the XSOM swing was great. That was just one contract.
Isn't that unfortunate?
It was a runner. I should have averaged it down. So risky though.
WBA, what a play.
Guess I should have averaged down my December Apple at that trend line.
Good bounce on Apple.
Did SPY gap fill yet or not yet?
No. Gap
Or gap
fill.
fill.
Gap fill will be approximately 394.30.
Okay.
I believe we may hold 395.
I think we should average. We should add, maybe we'll add another call at that level. Still sucks for
Oh,
premiums.
XOM.
Take a minute to.
XOM went from minus 30% to break even on that candle.
Mm.
WBA is stuck. CLF still looks a little bit weak.
I'm green 3% on the next week calls.
Did you sold all the Netflix puts already?
The what puts?
Netflix?
Yeah, I saw it yesterday at like 90. Why?
Just thinking, just asking. Alright, good hold on SPY.
Add into calls?
We already did. I don't see no reason to add again.
Oh no, I took my first entry. Took my first entry, so I'm one call on Apple and one call on Amazon.
Come on. What?
Ethan, check your DMs when you get a chance.
XLM is up 7%.
Wait. Okay, that was an idea, yes, but I didn't mention the contract at the time. I was just thinking about it.
It's okay. It's not a big deal. Should I average down?
Yeah, if you want to recover, I do
I
expect
al-
market to have a brief pump until Monday, so that may
Yeah.
give you a possibility to recover those positions.
Yeah, I'm only in 2 contracts, so I can average down.
Yeah. Just for future, I wouldn't take like thinking of or just ideas as like a call out,
Okay, I got it.
I'm up 8% on XLM. Come on, SPY, Apple. Well, we took good entries. They went down 6%. Had a strong bounce off that support area on SPY at 395.50. Now we wait and print. XLM is up 18%.
I missed 2 seconds. Don't tell me you already bought something else. You're just on the XOM.
Check Israel callouts. Yes, I did call 3 other things.
Where is it? There's too many channels. I can't find it.
Let's this weekend let's go over the channels in admin chat. And let's see how we could if we could combine any or move some. I don't know.
Oh, I got
That's
another
right.
phone call.
Angel, I love that you're putting your entry prices. It's incredible.
Apple with a big move, guys. Beautiful entry on the Apple calls. And then I also Amazon is still rejecting. Why is Amazon so weak? I'm up 20% on XOM.
The CLF re-entries are up 10%.
Yeah. Oh, my stomach is hurting. 25% on XLM. %, 32% on XLM. 35% on XLM. Well, briefly, it's back at 26%.
DXY is spiking. DXY is spiking right now. Careful with those polls.
First target met on XOM for 35% gains. Oh, I forgot to post XOM call out and I think we took an entry here. Oh, yeah, it was at the bottom. Oh, come on.
Big rejection. Apple, Amazon. Okay, I'm cutting Amazon calls. That might be funny. Out of Amazon. And I'm gonna cut Apple.
Home sales.
This one exit on Apple.
XOM back at 30%. Ethan is. I'm holding for next week. I'm still in puts. So
I am
that
too.
drop on Apple is really not affecting me. I have a lot more inputs overall. Apple is just a hedge at that 395 support area on SPY due to my bullish thesis until next week.
I just had bad luck with hedges. It seems every hedge I take goes against me.
XOM needs to break 111.27 for another move back to 111.92.
Where will you close those Apple hedges?
How much am I down? 20.
2%, 20%.
I'm not sure, to be honest. I have like $20,000 worth of puts still. This drop
Well-
seems news driven.
If SPY breaks under 395, then oh yeah, it is breaking under 395.
Yeah, under 395. We should just exit those Apple hedges.
But you don't plan to average down anything on your put set either.
No, mm-mm.
Yeah, that just cost me a lot.
One. I'll hold the CLF calls for next week though, just because they're much cheaper now, and I don't know, maybe it won't follow SPY. Good bounce on SPY level though, so far.
hungry. Let me grab a granola bar.
Spies breaking to 95. Under, I mean.
Bearish day so far.
Yeah. Surprising, huh? Well, we have the gap up. And the gap fill is here, isn't it? What, did we gap fill already?
Yep. Apple did. Yep, SPY too.
Yeah, gap fill basically. Kind of. Does it count when the gap has a wick? Oh well, let's make it full.
That was a hard rejection of 396.50. Right after those housing news came out.
Not surprising. Rates are yeah, home prices are a little cheaper now, I think.
WBA. Apple. I don't like these granola bars that much. They're so messy. Rocky stop. I personally just averaged down on Apple.
December?
Next week.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, calls. I'm not. Never mind. I almost hit send.
This is one of those plays where I'll do it and I'll get killed.
Yeah.
Like,
I feel comfortable because of the puts that I'm still holding.
I'll re-enter. It's cheaper than my exit.
it's like I follow a hedge and then just get smacked. It's like I'm late to the party.
I'm okay taking the hedge again. $20 cheaper than I exited. not taking Amazon. Worthless. So it's not a gap filled, so it does make sense if we pump a little, somewhat makes sense.
How's LMT doing? I haven't even looked at that ticker today.
I got out. I think I was like 8% up, and I got out because I can't watch it next week or through the rest of the day.
Wow, it's still moving. Remember I told you yesterday that we will gap up to 476 today?
Yeah, I remember that.
The LMT December 16 calls are up 21%. The March calls are up 20%. Wow. I kind of regret reducing my positions. Sometimes I wish I don't listen to Ethan.
Don't you mean the
He
news? Because,
scared me off of those positions.
like I said, that drop was kind of iffy. I wasn't feeling good about holding it. I'm so glad I got out of break.
What is his question? How are you down that much? It's impossible. I'm up a lot on this position. Oh, you purchased it on a bad spread. Yeah, to be honest, I would exit here. It has a possibility of moving more. But we could have a rejection in this area in LMT. And make sure you're careful on your exit because you may get undercut. The spreads are pretty bad. Usually when we sell LMT, we try to sell it on an uptrend, on a solid green candle. If you sell it on a red candle, even if it's a small red candle, the spreads will be pretty wide. So you have to be careful. Never sell at market fill mid area either. You have to place your own fills.
Like playing LMT, you have to have active trader on TOS.
Yeah.
It's a requirement. Careful with Apple calls again. It's trying to hold.
I do sell on the ladder all the time. I don't think Fishman has that though.
There goes
A lot of
Apple.
selling pressure on Amazon. I mean, yeah, a lot of selling pressure on Apple.
Horse.
Oh.
Maybe not.
I just want to take the green a little bit just so I can prove to myself all hedges do work.
LMT has another move.
I mean, I trimmed some loss out of it. You know, I took the original hedge and got crushed at 30%.
Damn it. I wish I never reduced LMT. That would have been an awesome return.
It's a nice apple candle. No seller ever mode.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe not yet. You can't say that yet.
We're still holding 395. I mean, as long as we hold 395, I'm gonna hold on to these calls. If we break
I had-
under 395 on SPY, then I will consider exiting my Apple and Amazon hedges.
Not a bad idea to take spy calls for Monday.
Ethan,
Hmm?
Tesla, the Tesla call out you gave, I'm still holding 1x. I told you I'm not gonna sell it until next week. Actually, I think I am gonna sell it now. I do expect
I'm like, why would
market to
you-
rally.
The whole time you're saying
Yeah.
it's bullish until Tuesday.
I forgot about that EXP. I'm just gonna sell it. I don't like this UI on TOS.
Yeah, once you send the order, the confirm is on the bottom of the screen. So it's like takes another second to go to that button.
Auto send.
Oh, you can do that in mobile?
Oh, I don't know.
Okay, I need to look into that because that extra button click is bad,
It is. It's pretty annoying now.
especially for big phones. It's like it's a big travel.
Excellent puts printed really well from yesterday. Well, no, from 2 days ago.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna look for some spy calls for Monday. Makes sense here. Defined risk.
I really don't like this.
Let's see. Monday. Spy calls for. It's pretty cheap.
Enzo, are you bullish on XOM for next week?
No, this is just a day trade. The position I took.
Took
was
a
just
spy
day
call for
trade.
Monday for RMC, very light position.
I'm holding XOM calls for next week, so I don't know.
No, this was just a day trade. I mentioned it was not.
No, I'm not talking about. I didn't enter them today. I entered them a while back.
Oh. We need to hold above 109 on XOM.
Hold above 109 for it to be bullish.
Yeah.
Like a 1 week bullish outlook, or just for today.
It's hard to say because XOM is on a downtrend at the moment. I suggested puts on XOM 2 days ago, and those puts went up like 90%. It needs to reclaim an uptrend. Really good average down on Apple. I'm about break even now on the average down.
Took a spy call for Monday, 400 strike at $81. It's up a little bit.
I'm pushing 2% gains on Apple.
The call is up 2%.
I am up 5% on Apple after the average down. And this is a very stress-free trade that I've attempted to push on this?
I re-entered. It's up 16% on my side.
Hmm.
The one I have left is 16%, but I'm still down $40 on the hedge because I trimmed in the wrong spot. These hedges, I mean, it's like you have to be in the original play for the hedge to make sense, and I haven't been for the week, so it's like,
Yeah.
Oh my god. I know you got a D-walk, but it's making a move right now. Like a monster move right now.
It's okay, Ethan.
I actually swung one yesterday, so it's green now. It's up 50%. I just closed it.
Good move on CLF. We have a potential re-entry area on CLF here, guys. With the market bouncing, I think I will add another one actually. I got
The
filled.
week
Oh,
two?
I got glitch filled at 14.
Oh,
Beautiful.
February now. No comment.
You added to CLF 25th November call.
Yes. The 1550 call for November 25th. I added one more at 14. I'm very light on this. And that Apple re-entry, guys, was beautiful.
I'm up 6% on the SPY.
Come on, market, let's keep pumping. I took
What's
a
up?
YOLO play that I didn't want to alert because everyone was stressing on calls. I wish I alerted it though.
What was it?
SPX 0DT on that gap fill bottom area. It's up 50%.
Oh, that's fine. Oh shoot. Well, I took a SPY call. Not as much.
Alright. XOM is bouncing off the VWAP. But it has a supply area there, so be careful.
What was this? What was that again?
XOM bounce off VWAP,
Oh.
but it also has a
Not a-
supply.
Oh yeah, I'm off that.
I should have sold. See? He entered because I mentioned the call. Oh my god, Fishman. We really need to train, but you don't give me that opportunity to train you. Good move on XOM.
These SPY calls for Monday get dated fast. I realize how bad that data is.
Had a strong rejection on the 50 EMA before BWAP. I don't know how I feel about that. It's not good. Be careful on Apple. You need to tell us next time you buy something like that so we could just instantly buy some puts. The perfect inverse.
The inverse Fishman.
Yeah. Let's see if we start building an uptrend here. This may start forming a trend line in this area. Nope. Well, Apple's still holding one.
Ours back 125. Oh, my Apple's still break even. Oh no. Oh yeah, barely break even.
I expected more volatility today. I mean, we did where the downside had opened, but we're pretty flat for the last hour. So what's in the front? These contractors need to be done. It's annoying already.
SPY hints that's gonna break down, but it keeps holding.
Keeps reclaiming 395, so we'll see. Also strong bounce. Ah, that rejection on the 50 though. Stop teasing SPY. I know Taco is just. I have a feeling he's full port on short-term puts.
Uh-oh.
I mean, I just don't like the 1 hour, the strong uptrend on the 1 hour still. And it's soft though right now.
Oh, good hold.
I just think we got to get to that 410 area.
Today?
Get some.
Thank you.
No, not today. No.
That would be great. $15 move in the day. I mean, it has happened, but I don't think we have enough news for that move today.
I think it was Taco yesterday talking about how the big moves have really been aftermarket and pre-market. And it just
Yeah, surprisingly, it's been a swingers market lately. If you swing the right side.
And I love it, Ethan.
All my gains have been through gap ups and gap downs.
Come on, SPY, just break this downtrend.
I saw that, that thing you said about put call ratios, Ethan, that those heavy put ratios lend themselves to surprise gap ups.
Mm.
I think that's a zero hedge article originally.
Good bounce on Amazon. It's outperforming Apple at the moment. Holding a nice uptrend. Let me ask Taco how heavy he is in puts. We keep rejecting the 50. I don't like that. I really don't.
My nature is to want to buy more puts, but I'm not. It's not, can't do it. Not until we get well below 395.
What happened? No greedy or Mimi? Are you at work today? Oh, Skeletor joined us today. Haven't seen him active for a few days or a few weeks. How are you, Skeletor?
Doing good. How are you?
Pretty good.
I'm gonna get out of my SPY call once it's break even. It's too much data.
Full port XPX. 1 TT for Monday?
I think she swung it.
No, she bought it
Oh,
at
no,
the
she
gap
entered one.
area. She bought it at the bottom area. I mean, that's a good. You know what? I'm gonna join you on that for Monday XP. I think that's.
Which one?
I'm not gonna disclose that.
I'm not gonna take it. Probably good for good reason not to.
Let's see. Monday. What will she buy? Or what would
It's
I buy?
Monday SPX.
Oh, it has a potential move to 4,000 area. Decent volume there too. Yeah.
I would suggest taking a SPY Monday instead of a SPX Monday.
You just sold, didn't you, Ethan? At break even?
No, I'm not break even yet, but if he's taking a Monday SPX call, then I might as well hold my cheap SPY call for Monday. It's the same strike basically, just way cheaper.
Well, you just got to buy 10.
I'm not doing that. I might buy one more. Let me see where's SPY right now. Yeah, I'll buy one more. I got faded enough.
What's your?
I'll buy one more.
What are you in, Ethan? What'd you pay for it?
I paid 83. It's down to 80 right now. 78. No, I'm not gonna add into it. I'm gonna leave it as one. Wait, Hudson, what do you mean SPX has tax benefits over SPY? Is that for real? We get tax benefits for SPX?
I think everything's a capital gain. So any profit's capital gain. It's going to be taxed the same.
Let me see what he says here.
Oh yeah, if you hold it long term.
Oh. I thought it was a
We're
trick
not
about
holding
contract.
long term though. This is
Long term's like 18 months.
Yeah.
What is he talking about?
I don't know. He's trolling with me.
Yeah. Is he an accountant or an electrician?
I have no idea.
He sends pictures of those breakers and stuff he was working on at the brewery, I think. Or maybe it was power for servers.
This is a decent pullback. I'll add one more SPY call.
Holding 395.
Every time I want to add into something with average, I get the fill. Every time.
What's your strike for SPY?
400 Monday. It's very volatile. It can get dated. You cut it if we cleanly break under 395. You're getting a discount right now, I think.
It's on discount.
Yeah, Theta does eat it pretty bad, actually. It needs a strong move back up to 398 at least. Yeah, I'm turning bullish the way it's holding the slow. The 5-minute MACD is about to close bullish. Yeah, I missed my average down opportunity.
I got two of them at
I am up 8% on SPX.
83.
Well, 7% now on that little slight green can pullback.
I'm not going to add into this to the SPY. I'll just add into the Apple call. Much safer.
Oh my god! And then it rejects right after I post that.
Andrew, what was your entry on SPX for Monday?
Don't do it.
I
Don't do it.
I don't want to share that. Was on. It's.
There's a reason why
Those are,
it's
yeah.
best to not take it.
Uh-huh.
Trust me. Like,
I don't know,
just
when
let
those
it go.
when those go up 5%, you know, they're worth getting out of.
Trust me, it's going to be harder than you think to get out of.
Mhm. Let's
wanna
focus on
hold it.
building a good percentage return, like I told you a few days ago. Once you have that base, then you could start risking trades on XPX.
Okay. Sounds like a fair plan.
Yeah, because at that moment, you're only risking that 20%. And if you're risking that 20%, you're going to obviously respect XSL on SPX, which allows you to just hold on to that position a little bit longer. And if it goes against you, let's say it goes against you 10-20%, you exit at 10-20% from the 20% that you invested. So ideally you're only losing 1 or 2% of your total account value.
It's true.
So in the end, it's a very safe, very stress-free if you learn how to trade XPX by utilizing my trading strategy that I shared to you guys.
I think what you're saying is only play with free money.
With 20% of the
A lot of
gains,
free-
yes.
I need a lot of free money for that.
Yeah, no kidding.
Technically, you're able to do that now, Ethan.
I'm okay. I'm in Apple calls. I'm in SPY calls. If I get in that heavy, you know what happens.
Yeah, I don't like this data decay. 150.
Better off taking the Apple calls, guys. It's way safer.
Oh shit. Well, let's see if that works in my favor.
Bad Phil.
No, I just bought 10 contracts.
Oh my god.
I just noticed I have to
Yeah.
replace the order. Oh wow.
That's 10 grand. That's 10 grand. It's gotta be 10 grand. You better have a stop loss on that.
That was a big shit. I still placed that order.
In a fat green can, and watch a big fat green candle.
I know.
I mean, it's very possible, but your heart rate probably just went up 20 beats.
Yeah, it did. Alright, let's reduce. I think I could do this. It's that. No, not yet. We're still uptrending.
Hope this works out for you, man. I really hope it does work out for you.
I'm not stressed on it, to be honest.
JPM might give us another entry. I do wish I joined those Exxon YOLO calls.
I'm still holding those XLM YOLO calls. They're at 20%.
I wish I joined.
Yeah. It was lovely that when my first target was met, it hit 35%.
Mm-hmm.
Apple's still holding a nice uptrend.
Yeah, Apple seems a little stronger than SPY, actually.
Yeah.
I did add a second SPY call, but no more.
Come on, market, give me that big Shrek candle. But not on the other side. I mean, I want it to go up, not down. Let's see. CLF is still holding. I'm not praying. I'm not stressed on that trade. I could easily exit right now. I have 3%. That was just an accidental purchase. I forgot I placed the 10.
All those SPY 5-minute candles look kind of wicky though.
Yeah, they do. But we have more buyers than sellers at the moment, so I'm being hopeful. The volume doesn't look that strong, but we're holding more buyers.
Yeah, well, so when you say you see more buyers, you're talking about the volume profile on the support below, right? Like 394 to 398 or
just the
394,
volume
80.
indicator itself.
Well, you get those green bars, but how do you? I mean, that means those candles were up, right? But from a volume perspective, just point that out on your chart. I want to see exactly what.
Hold on. I'm in a heavy position. I can't check that right now.
All right, it's cool. It's all good.
I kind of regret talking about SPX. I really don't want Fishman to enter those trades. I'm gonna try to really limit myself on ever talking on SPX. There's a reason why I don't like posting it or talking about them. So a lot of members can't trade that at the moment. There she goes. Come on.
Bust VWAP and just run. Come on.
Come on. Keep pumping. It needs to break the 50 Emma first. It's been holding a downtrend
Right.
in the 50. %38 on XOM. SPX is recovering well, but it still needs to break that 50 Emma.
Gosh, I just looked at Visa's chart. Had a big spike at open.
Yeah. Is it dropping already?
It is. Well, it's curling back up now.
Damn. I should have put attention to Visa.
Let's go with a move already. Come on.
UBA is getting close to re-entry price again.
%45 on XOM. Alright, I will secure all my positions on XOM. Well, I'm gonna secure 80% of my positions at 111.90. Well, 111.80. Also exit it 10 seconds before, 10 cents before.
Yeah, this SPY call is dated, not printing anything. You exit soon.
Green candles and it stays even. Red candles, it just dives.
Yeah, it's like I'm still down 5% on it with this pump.
Like there's a ceiling on its value. It's like it's capped.
It needs a stronger move. It's 2 OTM. It's 2 at the money, yeah. Should have got closer RTM.
Come on, XOM, keep going.
Well, Apple calls are up 20%.
Yes, they are.
Oh, AMD looks really bearish. Semiconductors are all bearish looking.
I'm actually considering exiting early on XOM. You know what? I'm not gonna be greedy, guys. I'm going to start scaling out on XOM here. It's hold on. Let's make another move. It's a 52%. I'm out. Where are you?
Yeah, any tiny red candle in that SPY put just get, or that SPY 400 just gets destroyed.
You know,
It's too far OTM.
I was expecting a strong move, a strong bounce off the
Let's
95.
see.
It's still holding an uptrend actually from yesterday.
I managed to secure XOM at 48%. The screenshot that I took was at 52%. Sometimes taking a screenshot takes time.
It holds its trend line. I'm looking at holding the SPY call.
Really good trade on XOM.
We got QQ puts it open.
Oh my god, LMT. Love it.
Wow, what a move.
I need to make a post on this.
Well, IWM looks a lot stronger. I feel like, yeah, IWM would be great for put re-entry if we break 395. IWM held its gap up pretty well.
I'm scaling out some LMT here. Securing December 16s at 36%. I'm exiting all of them. I don't like this. I'm gonna leave one runner. Let me post announcement on that. How's Bix doing? I took a starter position on Bix.
Oh, VIX. I heard BIX.
There
Well, Jan-
goes SPY again.
Oh, it's going down. Great. Well, there's a supply, there's a demand zone under here. Let's see what happens. going through it pretty hard.
Peace out.
Is there any
Of course.
news? It's 10:56. There was supposed to be another speaker today.
I got up Apple Call Hedge. Should have closed Apple Call Hedge a lot sooner. That drop was too quick. Which fix you get? The 30 call for January?
No, I took a different strike.
Oh.
I took the 28 call.
Same date?
Yeah.
I don't see no news posted.
Well, goodbye, spy call.
Yeah, I got out of that.
Let's see. Amazon.
This is just, I just can't with this shit anymore.
C. CLF.
I think we should get a CLF call for next week too.
What time is it? Fed meetings. Calendar. No, we don't have any news today. Just holding the downtrend in the 50 EMA. VIX had a spike as well.
What was your fill on that VIX call?
251.
Okay, I'll join you on that. Might pay a few bucks extra. I got 252. Is that worth calling out or no?
I'm just taking a starter personal trade. I think it won't be worth it until next week. I'm still
Yeah.
expecting, I don't know. We'll see. Visa. XM was a good exit. JPM is rejecting. The BBA is holding. This might be another re-entry on WBA. Gonna wait till EODiva. How much do you pay your CPA, Hudson? CLF broke support.
I close out of my CLF calls for next week.
I'm nuts.
And you're waiting on Visa until next week still?
Yes, I have
Okay.
no plans of adding it today. WBA is rejecting. Wouldn't mind taking a re-entry on WBA, maybe at yesterday's lows.
Yeah. I don't mind. I like WBA actually. I like it a lot. It always pays well. The limit buy for WBA around 118. You know what? I'll do that. I'll do a 118 limit buy.
I'm gonna wait.
No, the value of the contracts was 118 at yesterday's lows.
Well, we have to consider theta too. Might be a little bit cheaper today if it falls to that
Okay.
area.
I'll do 110. I gotta run some errands. I'll set a limit buy at 110.
Is this for the 42.5 strike?
Yeah.
We're not buying
January.
right now though.
I'm doing a limit buy
Oh,
just because
yeah.
I can't watch for the next
126
few
right now.
hours. I'll just turn off my limit buy. I can still watch my alerts. APM looks so weak right now.
It's good. Let it die. We added into it
Just one, not enough.
today and yesterday.
IWM. Oh damn! I should have got those puts when I mentioned it.
Let's see.
Had a $1 drop when I mentioned it.
Apple's still holding pretty well.
Andrew, I'm gonna get some rest. I have to prepare for work, so
Okay,
thanks for today. I'll see you guys on Monday.
take care. It's 11 o'clock. XOM is. I should have waited a little bit longer on XOM. It's pushing 100% now. It's exactly at 100% now on XOM. Maybe we should have full ported Fishman on XOM. You were possibly right. And now we need a spy to break that 50 EMA. How much am I invested? I think I could buy another one. Yeah, I'm still on XPX.
Might re-enter Apple calls here if we hold.
I thought you left. You surprised me when you talk right now.
Oh, I gotta leave in a few minutes.
Mm.
But the calls are holding where I exited.
Nvidia? No, I would not. Not ahead of Thanksgiving. Oh, I'm still holding Apple. Never announced exits. Apple's still holding really well. It's green. It's roughly around 20% from the average down. Almost. Amazon needs to wake up though. It's a little bit weak. I am down on Amazon. I haven't necessarily averaged down on Amazon. Maybe I should add another one.
Which one are you in?
Another one, Amazon, the
You're in
98.
98? Yeah.
And I have
I'll
some
enter.
of the 100 calls too.
I'll re-enter 98. It's way cheaper now.
Mhm.
Hey, I need to stop losses on these suckers. EXY is trading in a channel right now. Might just chop the rest of the day. Well, good average on Amazon.
Yeah, I like the momentum that Apple's holding. I think Apple has the potential recovering SPY. As long as Apple doesn't break and make new lows, then I'll start worrying about SPY overall. But that will also be my clue in exiting that average down on Amazon. So we'll see.
Wow, Google looks so weak.
I was thinking of Netflix puts. Not sure.
Oh man, I should have held my puts from yesterday.
Yeah.
Well, actually, no. Yeah, shoot. Yeah, I should have held my puts from yesterday. No, that pump would have been too scary yesterday to hold. WBA caught a support bounce. It did the gap fill.
Yeah, you had a good entry. Oh, actually, it didn't. I didn't let you enter.
You took an entry?
No, I didn't. I
Oh.
wish I did. Only thing that we added was on CLF. Apple, I haven't added until since the last average down call out I made. Where did I make that average down? Wow, that average down call out was beautiful. At 10:07, and it's been holding a nice uptrend since. Hey, I did not do that. Almost broke the uptrend for a second though. We have, I think I will secure some Apple today. See if we retest today's highs. But our first target that we may want to scale out. No, we should break it. I'll continue to hold. But let's keep in mind 150, 150 area.
Alright, I gotta head out. But thanks, guys.
Mm-hmm. My SPX, let's see where it is. I don't even want to look at it. It's recovering well. SPX is doing really good. Let's see, from this average down at 77, 70. It's, wow. Really good move on Apple. Great entry. Even though SPY made us sweat a little bit, I'm still holding on to SPY. Amazon should be a triumph card with that average down that we did on Amazon. We should be good. We finally broke the downtrend. We reclaimed and we're staying above the 50 EMA. We have one more major resistance area on SPY at the BWAP region, approximately at 395.60. So be careful in that area. That may give us a good exit on the SPY puts and the SPY calls as well for Monday. I'm still doing pretty well. There we go. Apple calls are at 50%, everyone.
I'm back. Wow.
Beautiful. Just beautiful. I did alert it for you guys to be careful on SPY calls at 396, 395.60 due to the VWAP resistance. So be careful. You could choose to scale down briefly on SPY here. I'm still holding. I'm at 30% on SPY. I added at the dip too. Just confident on my call out, and I was very convicted too. That's why I averaged out on Apple, and I haven't announced any exits on Apple. Apple's already pushing above 55% gains.
Amazon needs to pick it up. This is old. This is before the pump happened, but still interesting.
Oh my god, XLM is just. It's almost at 110% gains in XLM. Sold it too early. I'll repeat myself, guys. We are at BWAP region on SPY. Be careful. We have a rejection here. I'm still holding.
Securing one apple here.
There she goes. Come on. What an idiot.
Careful. DXY is bouncing here. Yeah, gotta go.
I gave plenty of alerts to hit this area, Ethan. Guys, please be mindful. I gave multiple alerts on SPY at this BWAP region for you guys to secure or scale down some positions so we have a rejection. I'm just repeating myself. This is mainly a suggestion though. I'm still holding the positions. Just letting you guys know because I know some took a loss and got scared on Apple. You could secure at 50% gains on Apple from the average down, or you could continue holding with me. That is entirely up to you, but this is a good suggestion for you guys to scale out lightly on Apple. Also, I want to point out, guys, that this was a two-way run on Apple. We did swing some calls on Apple yesterday that averaged between 50 to 80% gains depending on your fill. We took re-entries on Apple today at this areas that I alerted. We took a re-entry at 151. We averaged down at 150 area for another 50% gains. Overall, this play has been between 100 and 135% profit play call out. Why is this playing? I'm still securing some Apple. SPY is a little bit weaker, so be careful with SPY calls. That is shorter time frame, so it's getting a little bit more theta than Apple overall, and it had a stronger dump. All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna use the bathroom.